Hey everyone, I just got my Jimmy Bean box in the mail. Now this is the 3-month subscription where it is a knit along. So each month it will be another part of the pattern. Okay, so let's see what we got. The bag. I like the buttons. That's yarn doesn't get stuck in buttons. Okay. This is part 1 of 3. Oh, I wonder what the next parts are going to be. Oh, neat. Okay. I like when it's on a card. Oh, bag collection. I'll put that information in the description below. Knit, purl, breathe, repeat. That's adorable. Yay, I got some wool wash. Or is this the, yes. Oh, this is hand lotion. Nice. Luxury hand cream. No drama llama tissues. Adorable. That is so cute. Keep them away from my kids. Oh, let's check out the yarn. Okay, so let me see here. The Barocco Ultra Wool in denim. Okay, I'm assuming that is this yarn, because that definitely looks like a wool yarn. I'm holding off until I get all 3 months before I start on this, but this is really cool. It gives me a start. Okay, so for my first month, I got the bag, I got yarn, I got super cute tissues, I got some hand lotion, the cardboard pattern, a little notebook, and some information about a new bag collection they have coming out. This right here is awesome, and I'm really excited to make this project. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and check the video description below for direct links to the box that I got. Thank you.